Hey, what's up YouTube? Come with me today to fish for giant carp on a beautiful fall day. It's a little windy, it's a little chilly, but that's not gonna stop me. And it shouldn't stop you either. So let's fish for some big fish. All right, I have my 2 poles set up. I got one facing over here, kind of toward the reeds and where the sun is shining. I'm kind of feeling like if I was a carp, I'd want to be somewhere warm in the daytime, which that might be close to the reeds right here, directly underneath the sun. And then I got my second rod just about 20 feet out this way. Here's to hoping for the big fish though, right? This wagon here is a game changer. I've had it for a lot of years. Well, originally it's my mom's. And we never really used it. It's just been sitting in the closet. So I've just been pulling it out these past couple weeks, and yeah, it's been saving me a lot of hassle. I highly recommend you get a wagon or something that carries all your stuff, because you know us fishermen, we can carry too much stuff. Gosh darn it. I'm getting a lot of bites today, but no hookups. I know these carp are right here. Come on. Show me the fishies. Ain't no way up. I have no idea. At least I didn't puncture your eye. That's still painful, man. Woo! As soon as you get here, bro, you're my good luck. Oh! Maybe not too big. What? Oh my God. How? Oh shit. I didn't even see what it was. Oh, my bell. God damn. Damn, I never had a hook pop out of the mouth. Usually when they're in like that, they're in. Yeah, boy. It's like a medium size, I think. Just let go. Yep. Oh, here we go. Ooh, that ain't too bad. There we go. Yeah, feels the drag. Not too bad. You want me to move over where it's better over there? There you go. Perfect, got him right in there. Yeah, that ain't too bad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Bend in the net.
Actually, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh damn. Okay. Watch out for this one. Alright. Get more flat ground right here. Yeah. Oh shit, scared me. Oh. Yeah, boy. Oh. It's a common carp. Oh yeah.
Where'd you catch it?
With this little hair rig. These are called hair rigs. So they'll suck it up. They'll suck up this little, it's like fake corn. And then as they spit it out, it'll grab onto their lip. But I use
That's really clever.
I use this bait right here.
And a downrigger to get it down.
So this is for putting bait on. Like I'll pack this bait on right here.
Oh, okay.
It's like breadcrumbs, corn, and then some strawberry jello.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
You've got quite a system.
On how to catch them.
Do you let them go or do you keep them?
Oh yeah, I let them go. I just do it for the sport.
I think that's great.
It's like 27 inches.
27.
That's pretty good.
That's a good sized fish.
Heck yeah. And they got a belly on them.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, congratulations.
thank you.
Hope you catch a sponge man. Really?
Ooh.
He's bending the net. That boy.
Ooh. Been here for hours. Just for something like this.
Thank you for showing me that.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. How long have you been here? A couple hours?
I've been here since like 2.
Wow.
You know, I've been getting bites all day, but they haven't like committed fully.
Gotcha. Maybe it takes the dark.
Oh yeah. It's
Well,
pretty
again,
good.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Have a good night. Oh, oh. Wow, splashed me a lot. Yo, we out here fishing at nighttime now. Got my cousin with me now.
Yo.
Night fishing. You know, when someone says, "Are you obsessed with fishing?" I say no. No, I'm not. I just like to stand outside at nighttime in the cold temperatures. It's not an obsession.
If you ain't freezing, you ain't breathing.
Whoa. And I got a bite, but I'm more focused on the owl. Whoa. That's crazy.
Pretty out.
Oh, as big as. Okay. You going that way?
Really almost. That was so close.
Oh, yeah, boy.
God, that close.
Woo. Whoa.
Here we go, boys. He's off the
Oh my god. That's awesome. Let him fight. Still got to fight in him. Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Woo.
Holy shit.
Oh, whoa. Whoa. Oh,
That's a fatty.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Nearly took off my pole. Oh my god.
That's a lot bigger than the other one.
Yeah, this is totally bigger. Woo. Dang. The size it is, John.
That's crazy.
28. But that's fat.
Another inch on it.
Let me just take a picture of that.
That's way bigger.
This is way fatter. It's at least 20 pounds. Yeah. Please don't splash me everywhere. You're free to go. There he goes. Whew. I flung my shit. I don't know where I flung it at. Ooh, is that a catfish?
Yeah, it is.
Nice. That's a fatter one.
Yeah, bigger than the ones that I was getting.
Heck yeah. Oh, this one's been eaten. Got a big belly on him.
It does.
Heck yeah. Not too bad. Perfect. Heck yeah.
Not bad though.
This is the biggest catfish I've seen out of
But if
here.
you're eating by yourself, yeah, I would eat it.
Yeah. There are catfish in here. There you go, buddy. Wrong way. All right, guys, we are gonna pack it up for the night. It was pretty good fishing. Hooked up on 3 carp, lost 1, caught a catfish. It was a good night, eventful night. But it's cold. Hey, we'll be back. We'll catch bigger ones, better ones, fatter ones. Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm back at this golden carp spot right here. It's been producing absolutely big carp. And today I'm gonna try to see if my cousin can catch his first carp. And yeah, hopefully he can hook up onto one, because he's never felt the fight of a full carp. A full-grown, big-bellied carp. And yeah, I really want him to experience what it's like catching a giant fish out here. But yeah, it's not as cold as yesterday. I'm just gonna be using the normal pack bait with my hair rig and a pack bait holder. They've been hooking me up on a lot of carp. I noticed my hookup rate isn't as good as I want it to be, because I do get a lot of bites where the carp will pull my fishing pole almost all the way into the water, and I pick up my pole and there's nothing at the end of the line. All right, first cast of the day. Let's see how far I can get it down. I'm not trying to get it out too far. I just want to get it about midway out. That's perfect. Oh, he's here. I hear him. The cousin has arrived.
What's up, everybody?
We're gonna try to get my cousin hooked up on a carp today. Oh yeah. Today's good, it's nice and warm. I think the carp will be more active today.
I think all the fish should be active today.
I've seen a lot of swirls already. But heck yeah. My cousin's using the blue, what is it, the blue raspberry or?
Berry blue.
Berry blue.
Berry blue jello. I'm not using sweet corn, I'm using white corn.
Yeah, we're giving these carp a good meal, these carp and catfish.
This is just a test run, see what they like. Seems
Oh, yeah.
like they really like the strawberry, so just see by switching anything up. I even got peanut butter with panko, so
Oh yeah.
make it malleable.
We gonna catch some carp today.
Get this off for you.
Woohoo! The hookup already. Oh yeah, he feels big. Yeah, he's going over there. Ooh, he's peeling the drag. Yeah, it does. Dang. This one's big. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. There we go. Woo! Damn, that was fast. Woo! Heck yeah, folks. It's probably been like 40 minutes since we've been here. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at the belly on these. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Beautiful fish. You know what, I'll get a measurement. He's probably like 25 inches though. 25 inches?
25?
Yeah. Yeah. Dang. Ooh, my cousin just hooked up on one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh yeah, look at the belly on him. Heck yeah. Hell yeah, good catch, Nathaniel.
Heck yeah.
Put up a fight, huh?
Yeah, it did.
I'll take a picture for you.
Calm down, calm down.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man.
There we go. It's a big boy.
All right. One more. Yeah, stand up. Heck yeah, man.
Yeah, wonder how long she is. 26.
26 inches on that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's get you back in the water.
Good one. Heck yeah, Nathaniel. There he goes. Heck yeah. How did that feel?
Oh, that was fun.
That's a good catch right there. Dude, heck yeah. All I heard was...
I was like, I hear something. It was like just
Yeah.
barely tugging it.
Dang.
Yeah, that was good.
Heck yeah. Start peeling drag. That's all I heard. I started hearing drag just peeling.
Yeah, I set my drag pretty low. So.
Heck yeah, that's good though. Don't want to rip the hook out.
No, I didn't.
Woo!
Very nice.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. We're going to wrap up the night for tonight, but it was a really good night. We both ended up landing on some carp.
Oh yeah, for my first one as well. Very good fight.
Oh yeah. His first carp. And it was a really big one too. Like,
good 26 inch.
Yep.
And it was about 10 to 15 pounds.
That's all you can ask for right there. Catching some big fish at nighttime. You know, this might be an obsession of ours. Catching big fish. We're sitting here at nighttime. But it's really good, you know. And thank you guys for watching. And we'll catch you in the next one.
Have a good night, everybody.